Hello everyone, welcome back to my page. So now the exams are finally over, and you know what that means? It's freedom. I decided to take a much needed solo break, which implies just me, my thoughts, and a city randomly just next to me. No plan, no stress, just a usual date with myself.
Morning, guys. It's 30th of March and it's a very clear and beautiful morning today. So, as I have said, I have planned something for today, and that's why it's 6:30 and I have already woken up. So, let's get ready soon.
Soon I took a quick shower, pressed my outfits, and then I got freshened up thoda sa fan ka hawa kha ke because it's kind of hot approaching Puri city now. So I also packed up some of my things that I needed to carry with me because I was running so late. तो मैं जल्दी जल्दी ये सब चीज़ें भर के I had cut melons in the fridge stored since the previous night itself. तो मैं उसको थोड़ा सा खाई because I did not want to take माई हेल्थ इंटू ग्रांटेड और बहुत धूप है बाहर सो आई थोड़ा सा टुक दिस मेलन्स I ate this. I soon got ready because I had explored the application and the bus was within 15 minutes getting off from the bus station to the capital city where I was going today. You know, it's a certain kind of magic in being alone. It isn't lonely as most people say, but it's kind of liberating quite in a way. You choose your pace, your mood, and places to go. You laugh at your own silly thoughts away from that boring, monotonous life at hostel and somehow feel more connected, anyways. I learned that healing doesn't always come from break from everything, giving up all your work and friends, families. Sometimes it's a break with yourself that heals up. Then I hired on the bus. As obvious, I was late, so I was assigned a back seat, but it was the most बेस्ट डिसीजन दैट द कंडक्टर गेव मी अ बैक सीट क्योंकि वहाँ मिल गए थे मेरे को एक कपल हु वॉज फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट कंट्री विजिटिंग पूरी एंड भुवनेश्वर एंड दे वर आस्किंग अबाउट टेम्पल्स एंड आई वॉज एन्जॉइंग द व्यू आउटसाइड.
So guys, I have reached the capital city. मैं आज जैसे बता रही थी, I have been in a solo date today to Bhubaneswar city, which is very near to Puri, as you all may be knowing. तो मैं अभी अभी बस से उतरी हूँ और मैं जा रही हूँ just to my first go-to place, that is the ISKCON temple, the Lord Krishna's abode kind of place. मैं वहाँ हर बार पहले ही जाती हूँ जब मैं कभी भी भुवनेश्वर आती हूँ तो. So I'll meet you there. I'll show you what else is there. और फिर मैं I'll start my day there. बहुत धूप है but let's see how it goes.
I have heard that people love watching people going somewhere solo or alone. But what if we make a stand for ourselves and go out with no plans? Sometimes all you need is a little pause, and I chose to spend mine wandering through temple, meeting the devotional touch, tasting good food, and ending the day with lots of gratitude and thankfulness so that I can thank the universe for making such a silly happening for me best possible way. After waiting and observing the traffic for a long 15 minutes, I finally crossed the road, reached ISKCON, kept my footwear, and asked the time for Aarti and Kirtan, and then I climbed up. walking barefoot on the cool marble, watching people enjoying the divine vibration of Kirtan. And the best part of coming solo was being real. It means you can sit here as long as you want, no one dragging you away for the next stop to go. As always, I again moved to this souvenir section of Lord Krishna where they sell very tiny and cute things related to Radha Rani and Krishna, and I enjoys the most getting for all of my friends and chote cousins everything that I can bring in my pocket, and I love it the most. Then I took some prasad for myself and enjoyed the topmost view. Although my heart didn't want to get out of this place, not because of sun, but it's really very much with a heavy heart. I just came out, bought some books from here, as always do. I read or not, I just read it for myself.
हरे कृष्णा, ये कितना कॉस्ट करेगा?
Trust me and make ISKCON as your first stop every time you go to Bhubaneswar. It's 100 out of 10. And we all know that peace is cool, but a hungry gut is not. But anyways, I just headed to one of the malls nearby to check some jeans for me because it's really difficult to find a perfect one. There I got to know from a local that she said about the restaurant nearby, and I went there. It was so cozy but packed and I couldn't suit much. Anyways, I was alone, so first point is ordered my favorite classic food, as you can eat unapologetically without anyone asking for else kind of a menu. Second bonus is no one charging you for ordering main course and dessert before finishing your starter. Then I had thought that, like, talking to someone near to me, I thought that post lunch I'll go somewhere where I can also rest, enjoy, and come out in the evening so that I don't face any kind of sun rays or dehydration kind of health problems. क्योंकि मेरा थोड़ा हो जाता है, but as you know, I love being alone, and this was a much needed one. While walking out of the restaurant, I booked an Uber bike and then I had to head towards the science park, which was very close to it, not so far. And then I started going with the man.
And now I have been to the science park. मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी यहाँ पे क्या क्या है. So after my lunch I directly headed here. और यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा घूमूंगी क्योंकि बहुत धूप हो रहा है. So I'll get inside, see some science, so I will show you also.
I haven't yet went to a science park ever, but this was just cherishing my childhood memories where I ever wanted to. Here you get to play, explore, learn all at once, I had heard. More than the models, the interaction between the little budding small children with their parents was the most cherishing view I had. It was just like their curiosity getting a playground for them. And being alone here made it so much more immersive. I wasn't just passing through. I was into it, experiencing it, asking, reading, and knowing about it. Basically, this is not a video sponsoring or saying you that what places you should go, but this is a complete unfiltered, no performance, no talking, more observing, and just you. It's honestly me, and that's enough. First, we had to make a rectangle out of the circle by interlocking both the sides of the circle, which was just opening up like this in teeth after we open it on a linear line. तो इसको हमको बनाना था एक rectangle. मैं क्योंकि एक हाथ से कर रही थी, so it took some time, but I was enjoying like doing colors in my apple mango in childhood, but really it was fun. So basically this is a rectangle, and here that the circular disc, two of them which I took out and made a shape of the rectangle, and this area of this rectangle is actually the half the perimeter of the circle. मतलब ये जो circle है इसका half perimeter और उसका breadth मतलब उसका radius का multiplication. मतलब area होता है the area of the original circle, as no part has been taken from or added to the circle to generate a rectangle. This is really a thumbs up. I loved it.
Thales was one of the first mathematicians to introduce mathematics as a subject of science.
You know, if someone asks me how can you enjoy this like magic places without any friends, without laughing out loud and talking out loud, but I would say ये सबसे अच्छा चीज़ होता है, because there is no judgments, there is no expectations, there is nothing in order to distract you. There is only you and only you, your mind playing with all the things that you see, you observe and take it into hands. After wandering around a bit in the park outside, क्योंकि the hall was really getting crowded slowly, so I spotted this quiet green corner, just the kind of space where time slows down for me. It had the perfect shade, and as you can see, the boundaries were like the greens covering me, and tends to zero noise except the kind that calmed my soul. I pulled out my journal and the book I had been carrying around all day, hoping to find this exact kind of moment. Because for me, there is something sacred about jotting down your thoughts, as if like the nature listens better than people sometimes, and reading a novel while the breeze plays with the pages. But let me say, it was really hot outside, but still I was there with me. No deadlines, no distractions, just words and stillness. And also, it's funny how we wait for vacations to feel relaxed now. But sometimes all it takes is a notebook, a book, and remember how peace fills, and journals vacating your messy mind. फिर I decided making a bun and folding up my hair, because I have to move to the next place. That is my bus station before the timing of bus, and the buses arrives and moves out of the station. By the way, while moving there, I found this wholesale or a street market that is there nearby the station, and then I thought of getting out there क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ और सामान लेना था. I got that. I ate this sprouts chaat and then got back. Heading back, heart full and the mind quiet. If you have been thinking about any insecurities regarding this, then believe me, everything is predetermined. It's 8 o'clock and I'm home. I'm back home and I enjoyed it the most. We just need to embrace the plan of the universe, who is working to let you survive. It's only him doing that and not you. Pack a bag, pick a spot and go. You don't have to go far, just go far enough to get to hear your own voice again. Until next time, stay curious and go alone. Remember, you will thank yourself later for this. फिर मैं घर आके देखी, I had a parcel of mine. For the first time I had ordered this earbuds for me. Hence I was so excited to unbox it and check how it sounds to my ear. It was so sexy looking all the way, but it also sounded good. So I thought of keeping it for me, and then I ordered a garlic bread from Domino's as my dinner. Now please comment and say who all have already planned one for yourself.